Are you going to talk, Max?
Hello. You going to say something? Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Where's my Max? Max. Where are you? You being a good boy? Hi.
Oh, you're fascinated. Hi, Max.
Hi, Max. I say, hello. How are you? You're such a good boy. Hello, Max. You're a good boy. That I think you like me. Yeah.
Oh, he's being sweet to you right now.
Yeah. You're a good boy. Hello. Hi. You being.
So awesome, Max. You got a new friend. And then they see their own baby, like a wave of clock, and they're the same. Yeah, they're the same.
Yes, you have.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that. We're like, we're not done yet.
Such a pretty boy.
No quirky today, though, Max.
Yeah, we were going to bring Corky.
He had a night.
Oh, I know, we're all grumpy.
What was that? What was that?
You doing your nails?
I saw it.
He'd be a good example for that show because he does it when I'm reading. So that's one day.
Who is it, Max?
Can I give you a little head tickle?
Skitch, skitch.
Hi, Max.
Who's that? Go say
Hi,
hi.
Max.
Oh,
How are you?
sorry, Robin, you chopped liver. Yeah. Mango's at home quiet. He turns into a gremlin when it gets late. Max, however, I can keep Max up to midnight and he'd be happy.
He's a socialite.
Oh, he does not care about time. He doesn't care about time changes.
Boy,
But Mango, oh my goodness.
you're a good boy.
You're not over his head, he said.
Or we're up front.
Max is happy either way. Okay.